Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. So today we are unboxing Cheryl's mystery box from the Mighty Car Mods shop. I ordered this a while back actually. I think I ordered it just after Christmas. It took a little while to get here, obviously from Australia, and I cannot remember any of the things are possibly in it. So yeah, let's get started and open this one. I thought I'd open this one up because it's a bit of a quiet, bad weather day. Which way is this even open? Oh, I forget it. Well, let's not rip it too badly. But yeah, I always like a good mystery box, can't argue with that. So let's see what's in this one. First off, we have some JDM style cloth tape. It looks with the good old chopped logo on it, cannot argue with that. Definitely going to find some uses for that one. We also have some, oh nice, some official valve caps. Well, they're definitely going to be going on the coupe. That's quite cool. We have this little cup holder bit. I'm assuming so. I'll find out at some point. I'm sure there's something explaining it. No, can't argue that. What else we got? Ooh, some nice Mighty Car Mods playing cards. Let's get it open and see what they're like. Okay, so looks like we've got plenty of different cards and they're all named as well at the bottom throughout them. So no, I'm definitely gonna find some use for those. I've got so many playing cards as it is, but definitely have that. Let's see what else there is. We have, as I can see right at the top, some Mighty Car Mods cable ties, the most useful thing you can get if you saw from our Christmas video, probably be up there somewhere. Yeah, extremely useful thing, can never have enough of them with the Mighty Car Mods logo on them, cannot argue that. They're definitely going to be used at some point as well. Oh, nice little chopped keyring, that's definitely going on. I was actually looking at one of these style keyrings, so that's very useful. Oh, and another metal one as well, just to be useful. Nice key tag bit as well, so maybe not going to fill my keys up too badly. Another little box. What we got in that? So let's get this out. Oh, is this a phone holder? I'm not even too sure what this one is. Assume it's some sort of a magnetic. Yeah, this is your magnetic phone holder bits, I'm assuming. I actually have one like this in the car at the moment, but another holder will work fine. Should work. Yep, works for my current phone bit at the moment, so I haven't got one for the air vent bit. I'm assuming that's what that goes on to, so yep, can't argue with that. We have questions. I mean, I'm not sure where I'm going to use that, but maybe. Oh, we got plenty of stickers by looks for as well. Definitely going to be using that. Might do. I need to get the GP stickers because I do want to go some European driving at some point. Got a few chopped ones though, so one of them is definitely going to go on. Not sure which one. Let us know what you think. Should I go for the white or the black for the coupe? Maybe I'll let Matt have one of them. Who knows? Oh, we got a nice little thank you card by the looks of it from Cheryl. So, yep. Oh, we got a much larger chopped sticker as well. Stay up somewhere. As well as a mightycarmods.com one. And by the looks of it, I'm guessing it's the same. This shirt or something. Well, what it is, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see very well, is a flag. big chopped logo on it, so I haven't got the space to show it off, but it's literally the chop symbol on a giant flag. So yeah, we are looking to go into a few bits, so I have to make sure I've got a flag. Well, I think Matt has one, so that will be useful. But no, overall very happy. I'll be honest, I don't know how much I spent on it. It was on sale just after Christmas, so I don't know if they're still on sale, if there's any available, but always worth going to have a look. Always happy with a good mystery box. Can never argue for some of the bits you can find in them. If you have any good mystery boxes you can suggest, because we have done the Because Race Car box before, one of our oldest first videos I think that was actually. But if you have any good suggestions, let us know in the comments down below what you could suggest. But no, I'm definitely getting all this is stuff that needs to go onto the coupe, as well as my little useful bits. Still not sure what this one is, but I'm guessing it's got to be for a mug warmer or something like that. But no, thanks everyone for watching. Let us know in the comments for any other mystery boxes that you could suggest, especially for car bits and all that. Would love to get some more. But yeah, until then, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.